Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we will talk about DIY cucumber face mask. Here we will discuss about 4 cucumber face mask. Cucumber gives soothing effect and lighten the dark spots. It gives very cooling effect to your skin and hydrate your skin very well. So number first mask is anti-aging face mask. It's really easy to make. Take half cucumber, put it in a blender and blend it, make a thick paste, and then you have to add about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. As you know that aloe vera gel has also very good property. It moisturize and soften your skin and also have anti-aging properties. It removes the dark spots and also prevent your face from acne. Try to use fresh aloe vera. Your cucumber aloe vera gel is ready. Apply this mask at least twice in a week for good results. Apply it for 20 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Number second remedy, it will work best for the pigmentation. So you may have to make the cucumber mask as I told you earlier and then add about 4 tablespoons of rose water because this will give extra moisture to your skin, and then last 2 tablespoons of the rice flour. Rice flour has great exfoliating properties. It reduces the spots and blemishes and also remove the dirt from your face. Third remedy will work for the dry skin people. Take half cucumber paste, about 2 tablespoons, and then add 1 tablespoon of the yogurt. As you know that yogurt prevent the acne, it give extra moisture and also increase the elasticity of your skin. So apply this mask at least twice in a week and apply it for 15 minutes for the good results. The fourth remedy will work for the dark spots and for the acne prone skin. Take cucumber at least 2 tablespoons and then you have to add 1 tablespoon of the honey that also hydrate your skin and give natural glow to your skin, and also add 1 tablespoon of the wheat flour as this flour contains a lot of good properties. It reduces the tanning and dark spots and also cleans your skin from the toxins. Apply this mask twice in a week for good results. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel for watching more such videos.